North Sea Shipping has been an innovative operator of ocean-going vessels for generations. With North Sea Giant, new levels of advanced marine operations are available at your service. North Sea Giant is amongst the largest and most advanced subsea construction vessels ever built. She is 160 meters long and 30 meters wide. The ship has unrivaled redundancy. The only vessel in the world with all vital operational systems tripled. North Sea Giant is also an efficient multi-purpose vessel with supreme deck and crane capacity. The most unique part of North Sea Giant is the power system. Containing 3 separate engine rooms and 6 separated thruster rooms, North Sea Giant can maintain DP3 operation with one system out of service. The boat is equipped with 5 Voith-Schneider propellers, which is the largest propeller package Voith has ever delivered to a single ship. Combined with 1 Rolls-Royce tunnel thruster, it makes her a safe bet in a wide variety of operations on deep and ultra-deep waters. The low-loss concept from Wärtsilä Automation, together with the quick response of the Voith-Schneider propulsion system, give the vessel both high redundancy and fuel-saving credentials.
Wait. Vessel in position. We have green light to start lifting operation.
Okay, that's a Roger. Over and out.
One of North Sea Giant's main features is her supreme crane capacity. North Sea Giant is equipped with 2 active heave-compensated knuckle-boom offshore cranes from Cargotec. The midship crane has a capacity of 400 tons with 3,000-meter single-line wire. This is the biggest full 400-ton active heave-compensated knuckle-boom crane in the world. The aft crane has a capacity of 50 tons with 2,000-meter single-line wire. This, combined with North Sea Giant's high deck load capabilities of 8,800 tons and sheer deck size, give her a wide range of flexibility. There is a standard moon pool of 7.2 by 7.2 meters that can easily be extended to 12 by 7.2 meters. Each corner of the moon pool is reinforced to take a 270-ton load. North Sea Giant has 2 ROV hangars, 1 on each side. They are protected with hydraulic steel doors to give shelter for the ROVs and a comfortable environment for the ROV crew. Each hangar has its own workshop and its own control room. North Sea Giant is accommodated with 120 beds. There are 58 single and 31 double cabins. The accommodations on North Sea Giant have the possibilities to be upgraded for up to 199 persons. North Sea Giant is equipped with state-of-the-art entertainment systems in all cabins and public rooms with access to satellite TV, radio, and the internet. She also has a cinema, conference room, offices, and gym. Being a multi-purpose vessel, North Sea Giant is ideal for operations like subsea construction, well intervention, top hole drilling, cable laying, pipe laying, and much more. North Sea Shipping is proud to be part of the fleet of innovative vessels for the marine industry. Mobilized with 2 cranes, 2 ROV hangars, and the new Voith-Schneider propulsion system makes North Sea Giant a safe bet in a wide variety of operations on deep and ultra-deep waters. She comes with comfort class and clean design, which makes her unrivaled in a class as a multi-purpose vessel. With North Sea Giant, we have invested with focus on high redundancy in all operational conditions. Be a part of the vessel for the future. Come join North Sea Giant.
Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Your Sea Lad.